Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to teach you how to relearn your automatic windows. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to take the key, turn the key into accessory mode, just hold down the button for about 10 seconds. Now I'm going to hold the window button in the down position for about 5 seconds once the window is all the way down. Then I'm going to go in the up position, hold it in the up position. Once it hits the top, I'm going to hold it in the up position for about 5 seconds. And then the window should have been learned. And it goes down automatically. And now it goes up automatically.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.